Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to delete Uber Eats account. In order to do this, first of all, open any browser on your mobile phone. After opening a browser, click on the search button and type in delete Uber Eats account. Type in this keyword and hit enter. After you hit enter, you will see some search results. Under these, make sure you go to Uber's website, that is help.uber.com. This is the website. It will have a title saying I need help deleting my Uber Eats account. Click on this and this is going to open this Uber Eats article, so you can read all the necessary information before deleting your account. You can try deleting Uber Eats account through the link below. So this is the link that says delete my Uber account. It will be just in front of this page. And before you can delete your account, Uber will ask you to verify your identity using a temporary verification code. This may require you to have a phone number attached to your account. If you are not able to add a phone number in your account settings, you'll have to check the link that says update my profile on this page. So we'll go ahead and click on delete my Uber account. On this page, you'll have to enter your phone number, email, or you can also continue with Apple, with which you'll have your Uber Eats account. So enter the credentials of the Uber Eats account that you want to delete. For example, I'll click on continue with Google and choose the Uber account that I want to delete. And now I'll be successfully logged in on this page. So just entering your phone number or email on this page will help you delete your Uber Eats account. Now navigate back to Uber Eats and your account will be successfully deleted. So that's how you can delete your Uber Eats account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.